Hello, my name is Taya Everode, and today I'm going to show you how to make high-quality coffee from the convenience of home. Let's get started. First, we need an espresso, frother, milk, a coffee grinder, and of course, coffee beans. Next, I grind the coffee beans and pack them tightly into a pod. I place the pod into the machine, lock it in place, and press start. Then the coffee streams slowly into the mug. Meanwhile, I add milk into the frother and begin warming it up. With both now complete, I swirl the coffee crema and begin to pour the milk into the mug. And that's all it takes. It's like having a coffee shop in the comfort of your home. And once you've tried it, you won't want to go back to standard coffee. Trust me.